why would someone want to sell their Amazon business? Even if it's, let's say, profitable. Why, let's take a profitable business or not profitable, which makes more sense, but why would someone want to sell their business, especially if it's profitable?
Okay, so almost everyone has this dream, to make an exit with a business. Now, the thing is, you're only worth what the business is making today and what it made in the past. And a lot of people, they don't take into consideration that maybe in the future, this business won't be profitable anymore. It may not exist. So when you're looking to sell, you need to be looking to sell something that's doing well today, that's profitable, that people are going to be interested in buying. Okay. And I can tell you, we have seen so many businesses that, came along and, were evaluated by us, decided not to sell. They wanted to wait another 6 months. They thought they would be able to improve revenue and profit. A lot of the times, actually, the opposite happens. Business starts, going down the rail. And this can happen very fast in Amazon. It's enough to lose your spot on the first page to see a drastic drop in sales, in revenue, in profits, in everything. Okay, so people want to sell, okay, because they want to cash out on what they have. Today it's worth X. You don't know what it's going to be worth tomorrow or the next day. It might not be worth anything. And I can tell you that from a personal experience. I had my first private label on Amazon. I received an offer to purchase it for close to $500,000. And, I was sure that the next year I was going to do at least 2, 3 times more. So I said I would wait. But, things happen along the line. And long story short, my product no longer available on Amazon, and the story is worth nothing. I'm also showing people the other side of things. And, I didn't take this into consideration as well when I received my offer.
I want to add to that, unless you have something to add.
Yeah, I have something small to add because, sometimes there are also different things that makes you want to sell your business. Many people have personal issues. Sometimes you have a partner that you're not getting along with so well, and you want to, dissolve the partnership. There are also the personal reasons where people would want to sell the business, maybe to focus on other projects, pursue other things you want to do because it takes you a lot of time and money. And there are also different constellations to sell in the business. For example, sometimes the seller is still operating the business as a consultant and getting percentages of sales or salary. So even if you sold the business, it doesn't always mean that you're not a part of it anymore. And some people want to hire the person who opened the business because he knows it's the best. And yeah, this is also something important to point out. And yeah.
A lot of the times, people they get fed up with what they're doing. They want to move on, to different things, not just Amazon. Sometimes it's different Amazon business. Sometimes it's something completely else. They need this equity for other businesses. Not everyone wants to continue, doing Amazon forever.
I wanted to add that one time, like it was a year ago maybe or something like that, I contacted you, Omer, about my business with my partner. And I do remember we had one product at that point. It was a total loss product. We had some profitable products. Business was still making money, yeah. And I think at the time you told us like we might sell it for like X2 of the yearly profit. But you
Yes, I
said like
remember.
yeah. So you said like, but you can guys work on the business, kind of see, you can sell it now if you want, but seems like, you can kind of work on it, improve processes, improve things, and perhaps sell it for higher. So I really appreciate that because you gave us sort of an idea to, okay, we can still like improve things here. And nothing is guaranteed. Maybe this actually, no, honestly, right now the business is working better. So we are more profitable, which I'm happy about, but it could have been different. We could have lost it completely. So we maybe could have happened a situation that we would not even be worth X2 for the yearly profit. But still, you told us, yeah, you can sell now. It's a risk anyway if you continue, but seems like you can kind of improve it. So, you know what I mean? So that's pretty cool. So again, I'll leave the links to the forums to contact you guys. So if someone's looking to sell or buy, you can just ask. The guys will go through your numbers and things, and then you'll see. Maybe they'll tell you like same as it was with me. Yeah. I mean, you can sell now. Yeah. And that's your pretty much, because it was a quick call, maybe if I were to submit a bit more things and all that, but you said probably it's going to be worth something like that. And it's up to you. Do you want to continue or not? Seems like you can improve and stuff like that. So then I talked with my partner. We said, no, let's continue for now, get some more products, improve the current products, and things are going well now. So, maybe we will consider selling in the future.